they did talk already. I see him touching.
We have some guy just decided to put some fish guts or something, and all of a sudden, all the birds come. We're on a beach right in, well, right in front of, this is right in front of our beach where we're camping. Look at that action. I guess you got to go in there with boldness, not to afraid of those birds. And some of them are really big birds. Man, pelicans are coming. These prehistoric birds come. I don't know what they're called. All the different kinds of birds. But man, they're really liking it. Woo-hoo! Looks like everybody's got, now these prehistoric looking birds, they steal. That's what they do. They don't usually fish. They steal from other birds. Man, that's quite an action, isn't it? All different kinds of birdies out there. Most of them big. Yeah, I can see them stealing from the other guys.